Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal in Trinidad. First, ensure you have a valid email address and a local bank account or credit card ready for linking. You'll need to provide accurate personal information during the sign-up process to comply with verification requirements. This initial setup is crucial for seamless transactions, allowing you to send and receive money efficiently. Understanding these foundational steps will make your PayPal experience much smoother from the start. Linking your financial instruments is straightforward. Most Visa and MasterCard debit or credit cards issued by Trinidadian banks are compatible. Navigate to the Wallet section in your PayPal account and follow the prompts to add your card or bank account. You might undergo a small verification process, often involving a tiny charge that is later refunded to confirm ownership. This step secures your account and enables you to fund transactions or withdraw money. Sending money is simple. Enter the recipient's email or phone number, the amount, and choose your funding source. For receiving, simply provide your PayPal email address. Be aware that international transactions may incur a small percentage fee, typically around 2 to 5%, depending on the currency conversion and transaction type. Always review the transaction details before confirming to understand any applicable charges. Withdrawing funds to your local Trinidadian bank account is a key feature. You can initiate a transfer from your PayPal balance directly to your linked bank account. The process usually takes between 2 to 4 business days to complete, though this can vary. A small fixed fee, often around $5, may apply per withdrawal, plus any currency conversion charges. Plan your withdrawals to minimize fees and ensure timely access to your funds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.